all, welcome back to Design Cafe's YouTube channel. I'm your interior architect Ananya Joes. Now, a puja unit is something that everybody has in our house, but lately as we see, the trends are changing. With most people going for apartments, there's very little space for puja unit, so we're seeing a lot of our designers get uber creative with the very little space that they do have. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. And let's go take a look. Hey, those were a couple of creative ideas for a puja unit, don't you think? Do let us know in the comment section below as to which was your most favorite puja unit design. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you're looking to get your interiors done or just even to amp up your space, just go to the description box below and fill the form that is there with all your details, and we'll give you a free design consultation. Until next time, see you all.